You all for coming out here today. For the last couple of years, news out of Springfield hasn't always been so positive. But today, we have some good news to deliver. I'm Mike Frerichs. I'm the Illinois State Treasurer. In the State Treasurer's Office, we're in charge of unclaimed property. What that means is getting money to individuals or organizations or nonprofits that are meant to have this money. Today, we're here to announce the work with Representative Yingling and help other elected officials. We are presenting over $28,000 to a great nonprofit organization whose mission it is to look after pets like Bronson. Now, why does this money come here? Money was left as part of unclaimed life insurance benefits. When I came into office, I discovered that there were some life insurance companies that were holding on to benefits after they knew or should have known that their policyholders had passed away. Now, I just thought that was wrong. A great woman, Patricia Dwyer, passed away in the year 2000. She had named S.A.P as a beneficiary of her life insurance policy. Money is only coming today, and people ask, why did it take so long? Well, she didn't notify S.A.P that they were the beneficiary, and they didn't claim that money. But I think that when someone buys a life insurance policy and faithfully makes their premium payments to the company, when they pass away, that money no longer belongs to the company, it belongs to their beneficiaries, their loved ones, or their loved organization. And it was through an audit conducted by our office of a life insurance company that discovered this money. Now, discovering it is only half of the process. Then we have to track down the owners. And I'll just tell you, sometimes it can be difficult. It can be difficult to give away money because there's some people who don't believe that the state of Illinois is actually giving away money. And that's why we turn for help from local elected officials like Representative Sam Yingling. He has been a great ally in our office. Tirelessly gone out and knocked on doors, has tracked down people to put more money back into Lake County citizens' pockets and organizations like S.A.P because he knows that they're going to do good with it. And he knows that by putting more money into Lake County that people can use to buy and spend around here, it does more good for the economy than it does sitting in a bank account in Springfield. So we have worked very hard to get money into the Treasurer's Office that belongs to people here in this state. But we also need great allies like Representative Yingling, who is going to work hard to make sure it gets into the proper wallets and checking accounts of Lake County citizens. So I want to introduce and thank Representative Sam Yingling for all of his help today.
Thank you so much, Treasurer. As Treasurer Frerichs said, there are millions and millions of dollars of unclaimed property in the state of Illinois that belong to residents, and they don't even know they have it. His office has been absolutely amazing with reuniting people and their unclaimed property. Today is a great example of that, and it's a great example of how this unclaimed property can go to help wonderful organizations such as S.A.P here in my district. My office, in conjunction with the Treasurer's Office, has reunified people with unclaimed property upwards of over $250,000 so far. And that money will go back directly into this economy, and that's what's so important. But today I'm really, really happy to be here. I'm so happy for S.A.P and to be reuniting S.A.P with their lost unclaimed property. So I'd like to introduce Pat. And would you like to tell us a little bit about maybe what you're going to do with that money?
Well, first I would like to thank you two gentlemen. You were instrumental in making sure that we secured this money. The $28,000 means a great deal to S.A.P. We operate solely on donations. We get no government funding or we have no endowment. So this money will provide care for animals such as Bronson and other animals that come through our door. It means so much that these gentlemen in their offices took the time to find this money, to contact us, to work with us until we actually secured it. And it will help us fulfill our mission today and into the future. So again, I thank the board, the staff, the volunteers. Thank you so much for all your hard work and the benefit that this money is going to bring our agency.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Michael?
Oh, Bronson thinks it's a treat.
Like Charles Bronson, I love it.
You want to hold one side there and All right. Where boy?
Good camera pose. Good dog.
Thank you all so much for coming. We really appreciate it. And we're so excited that we were able to help save and all the wonderful work you do here.
We are too. Thank you again. Thank you all.
Thank you. I'll take this to the bank and deposit.
Yeah.
Yes. We're definitely going to display it.